Hey Bulls, let's learn how to do laundry on campus. Gather your clothes and head to the Atala Hall laundry facility located on the second floor of your building. If you want to check what machines are available, you can use the Speed Queen app. To set up the app, download it from your device's app store. In the application, in the upper right corner of the screen, there is an Add Location button. Hit that button and it will then ask for a location pin. The location pin will be USF 001. Once the location pin is entered, you can scroll down to choose Sarasota-Manatee campus from a list of residence halls. After you select and confirm your hall, you will see a list of numbered laundry machines. You can also filter the list by machine type. This will tell you which devices are available and which ones are in use. Select an available washer and begin loading your clothes. Remember to make sure your pockets are empty and no extra items are loaded in the washer by mistake. You can pay with quarters or you can load funds on your phone via the Speed Queen application. If paying with the app, you can add to your balance by selecting Add Funds. You can click the machine number on the app to apply payment, or you can select washer or dryer and scan the QR code on the machine. While your clothes are washing, you can sit and wait with a friend, catch up on homework, or you can head back to your room. Keep track of your laundry machine status with the application. If you have allowed notifications, the app will notify you when your machine is done. Now it's time to dry your clothes. Remember to clean the lint screen before loading the dryer. To ensure your clothes dry properly, do not overload the machine. Remember that one washer load is equal to one dryer load. Once your dryer is loaded, follow the same payment steps as before. And finally, the most important step of them all, don't forget your clean laundry. Fold it, place it in your hamper and bring it back to your room. Congrats, you've done your laundry.